Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful chandelier that is made with recyclable items and also very inexpensive with a beautiful result. But before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, because I upload a lot of videos that I'm sure you are going to love. So make sure to hit the subscribe and also the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. But without further ado, let's start with this gorgeous project and see what materials are we going to need. To make our chandelier, we will need a piece of wood of the size of your preference, 6 pendant lights, medium chain of the color of your preference, electric cable, polyurethane, a drill, cable cutters, electric tape, and optional plants to decorate. First, we are going to seal our piece of wood. In this case, we are using a piece of 6 inches wide, 2 inches thick, and approximately 40 inches long. We rescued this particular piece from a fire pit. Therefore, one of the sides and the edges are burned and they turn black, which gives it a rustic and original look. In this case, we didn't paint the wood because we like the natural color it has, but you can use a wood stain if you want. Then we applied the polyurethane to seal and give shine. Once the polyurethane is dry, we make our marks on the wood of where we want to insert the light cables. In my case, I will use 6 lights, and for the design I want, the measurements don't have to be perfect. Once the marks are made, we will proceed to drill the holes, making sure they are big enough for the cable to go through. Afterwards, we take our lights. I bought these ones at Walmart in the lighting area, and in my case I will have 3 different lengths, 2 shorts, 2 medium, and 2 long. Therefore, we will cut the cables of the lights with the desired measurements, making sure to leave some excess at the top to make the connections. Once the cables are cut, we are going to remove the outer layer to expose the 3 cables inside. It should have 1 gray, 1 green, and 1 white. We expose the copper inside of the cables as well as shown in the video and proceed to insert it in the holes of the wood, taking into account alternating the length of each of the lights. Then we take the electric cable, and this will work as an extension for the lights. Therefore, we cut pieces with the required size to connect the lights together, and we start connecting the wires of the same color together, wrapping them and securing them with wire caps as shown. When we reach the last light, we will need a long cable that will be the one that connects to the ceiling to provide electricity to our chandelier. Once all of our cables are connected, we will take 4 hoop screws like this ones and place them in each of the corners of our wood, securing them very well. Afterwards, we take 4 pieces of chain of the same length, and opening one of the links on one end, we connect it to the hooks on one of the corners, and then we repeat this process with the other 3 corners until we have something like this. In this case, all of the accessories I am using are black, but you can use gold, silver, or any other color that goes with your decor. We take 1 last chain and join the 4 corner chains in the center, and this chain will be the one that goes towards the ceiling, so be sure to measure how far up or down you want your chandelier to hang. We take the cable that will be connected to the ceiling and we pass it between the links of the chain to hide it. If you want to add plants to decorate, it is better to add them before installing the chandelier, and you can secure them with a stapler or with a hot glue gun. And then we connect the cable to the ceiling connections and secure the chain to the ceiling very well, making sure that the chandelier is straight and balanced, and voila! This is the final result. a modern and rustic design at the same time, which can be personalized according to your taste and decor, and that looks absolutely beautiful, and I promise you nobody will believe that you made it. And this is how our beautiful chandelier turned out. I am absolutely in love with it, and in my case I put it in the dining room, and whenever I have people over they always compliment on it, and it looks absolutely beautiful and also provides lots of light into the space. So it's a win-win from every single angle. So I really hope you like this video and that you make this project. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the future videos. Also, like this video and share with your loved ones so more people can learn how to make this beautiful chandelier. So yeah, that is it for today. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!